Hey, so the response to my video that I'm moving away from WoW videos because of the legalities of it really had me thinking. It's been niggling at me for a few days, and I had a coffee with a friend of mine, Rowan, literally a few hours ago, and I mentioned this, and it's been a few days, nearly a week now, I think, since I did that video, and it's had a few comments on it, not many, a few engagement, but I've been reached out to privately as well through other channels, and I'm going to redact part of the video. Here's what I'm gonna do. One of the people in my Discord server, and I've not scripted this video at all, by the way. It's niggled at me so much. It got to the point where enough people are saying to me, "Are you sure? You want to do that?" Firestorm, he's in my Discord server. Firesworn, he's in my Discord server, and he's a big developer in the WoW scene, in the WoW private server scene. And one thing I remember he said was there just aren't any DevOps guys in this scene at all. They're just not around. They don't exist. And so I thought, well, this chair is very squeaky. And so I just thought, screw it, let's just do it. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start working on hammering out automated tools around Ansible, Terraform for deploying and working with Azeroth Core. So compiling it, creating repacks, hosting them, setting up systemd, doing backups, and so on and so forth. That's what I'm going to do. That's going to be my involvement in the WoW private server scene. I don't want to go anywhere near the client or client-side modifications. I'm just going to be focused on purely on Azeroth Core. And I'll be looking at custom modules that can be plugged into Azeroth Core. And maybe I'll even write a few of my own in C++ or maybe Lua. And I'll definitely be looking at that. So I wanted to just redact a part of that video to a point because it's been niggling at me since I did that video. I'll be honest with you. I've sort of thought to myself, I'm already missing the idea of not making those videos. And don't get me wrong, I'm still going to make the Eve stuff because the Eve Online, unbelievable game. It's completely and utterly got me engrossed to the point where I've even set up my own corporation and everything. And it's an amazing game. It's Capsuleer Day / month, by the way. So if you're playing, make sure you're logging in and getting those daily rewards. But I definitely feel that focusing on Azeroth Core and building DevOps tools around it, and together as a community we do that, I think is definitely a good way of approaching things. So I'm going to redact sort of part of that statement. I'm not going to be fully not making the WoW videos. They're just not going to be anything focused on the client side at all. So you're not going to see any custom models being put in there, no modifications to the client or anything like that. So, yep, just wanted to give you a quick update. Again, this video, I literally just fired up the lights, fired up the camera, lights, camera, action, bam, here I am. So, yeah, I feel better for saying this. I think it is the right choice. So, you'll be hearing from me very soon, where I think the first thing I'll do is write an Ansible playbook or an Ansible role that can deploy Azeroth Core and replace my shell scripts, which are quite good actually. Yeah, they are quite good, but they can act as a precursor, so I can convert them over into an Ansible playbook. Yeah, sounds good. Okay, if you've watched this, thank you. Sorry for reneging. Sorry for just being a little bit scatterbrained. Let's get the job done and let's have fun. Cheers.